comments again. Do the thing in the comments.
Yeah.
Do the thing in the comments. Is beauty, does beauty start on the outside or does beauty start on the inside?
Have to be the outside.
Make we know.
Because as that is why, as I say, you cannot be big and fat and stay so on a body. You can't be a Rosalie.
So it's a Rosalie can't beautiful for the inside.
She can, but she's not beautiful on the outside.
Some man find her
Which
beautiful.
is fine.
Some man love the
But
fatty
how
them,
much
you know.
man? So we are talking about, remember, you know, we are talking in every
General,
single thing. The
general,
general
yeah.
consensus, bro.
Most man want a slim as or
A thick,
in-
slim thick vibe.
slim thick.
Yeah. And that's the truth. It's not the we not no, we're
Yeah.
real. The majority of men in the world are going to go for a specific type of woman.
Yes.
That is just
True,
that is the
true
truth.
about it.
Because guess why? We are all men and we see with what we see. And you cannot be X, Y, and Z. Alright, why is it that the lizards of the world and the precious of the world and the worlds get slim?
Why them get slim? Why them?
Why?
Because them want fit in.
Because that is what is beautiful, bro.
That's what we call
That is what we call beautiful.
beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is what men see as beautiful. A man I go look over there, so he's not going to. You know what Kanye West said? If a stripper named Porsche and she get tips from many men, then her fat friend, her nickname is Minivan.
Because she's not a Porsche.
Porsche,
Minivan.
Minivan, get it?
Everybody want a Porsche.
Thank you very much.